We will guide you through how to import brushes in Illustrator. Quick disclaimer, skipping this single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, start by opening the Adobe Illustrator app on your computer. When the application opens, look at the left side of the welcome screen and select Create New to begin a new document. A pop-up menu will appear where you can adjust the document settings according to your preferences, or choose one of the available templates if you want to start quickly. After you finish setting up the document, click Create to open your workspace. Once your workspace is ready, open the Brushes panel by going to the Window menu at the top of the screen and selecting Brushes. The Brushes panel will appear and provide brush options. Next, click the menu icon in the upper right corner of the Brushes panel to open settings. From the menu, select Open Brush Library to load additional brushes. When the brush library options appear, choose Other Library to import a brush file stored on your computer. A file browser will appear, allowing you to locate the downloaded brush file. Find the brush file you want to import and select it. After selecting the file, click Open to load the brush library into Illustrator. Wait for the brush library to appear before continuing. Once it opens, you can see the available brushes inside the imported library. Select the brush you want to use by clicking it in the library. The selected brush can now be used with different drawing tools in Illustrator. To test the imported brush, choose the Paintbrush tool from the toolbar and draw a path on your artboard. After creating the path, select it if necessary and click the imported brush from the brush library or brushes panel to apply its appearance. The path will update using the selected brush style. If needed, open the Brushes panel and adjust the brush settings to change how the brush looks or behaves.